I'm going to make a bookmark with cute frog and flower pot. You can download from link. I'm going to put the link in the information description. So I'm going to cut first. You can follow this line inside of the color. It is going to develop mobility of your child if you play with the child. And make sure you cut arms from the body. So you have to separate arms from the body like this. So I cut the frog and this is going to be a table for the frog, and here you can put reading log or to-do list. You can use for whatever you need it for. I cut the table, and you can fold like this. I didn't do a good job cutting, so you can cut excess paper after you fold. Like this. And let's cut the flower. So follow the outline again. Here is cute flower. And this is the book. This is the book that Froggy Froyo's gonna read. So I'm gonna put under Froggy. And here is direction. So the solid line is cut, and this dot is for glue. Let's cut the dessert and pencil. Here is pencil, yellow pencil. this is Froggy's favorite drink. Bubble juice, pearl juice, boba juice. And Froggy's favorite game, Nintendo Switch. You don't have to cut perfect, but try as neat as possible. Here is Nintendo. Here is cocoa or coffee. Coffee is for adults, so I'm not sure this frog is adult. I think it is adult, because frog is when it became adult. Here's a little cup and strawberry cake. So I cut all of them. So this is the direction. I'm going to cut roughly. So here you see the dot line. Dot line is for belly fold. Belly fold like this, like a belly. And opposite to it is this is mountain fold. So I'm going to fold like a belly. And I need a glue. I grabbed the regular paper glue. So this circle is for gluing. So I'm going to put glue here. And put under Froggy's hand. Wait until it dries. And here is Froggy's desk or table. And here's a glue mark. So I'm going to glue the flower. Or you can put whatever you want. And you can decorate with the props on the table. Nintendo Switch and cocoa. And I'm going to put this cake in the bag. And his favorite drink, bubble juice, here. And you can put Froggy like this. Oops. So it hasn't dried. So the book fell off. So I'm going to be careful this time. You make sure it's dry, completely dry. You try it. So I put Froggy like this. So he's reading a book on the table, and you can use this as a bookmark. So here's my favorite page. We can put like this. Where's my page? Here. So here you can put the favorite line or reading log here or to-do list. There you go. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching and subscribe.